These might look like drone shots, but they aren't. Because creativity isn't about better gear, it's about better ideas. When you stop waiting for permission and start using what you already have, limitations stop holding you down, they push you higher. And this is how it's done.
Pretty cold. Water bottles turn into ice.
So in this video we are using a tiny action camera and one of these. This is an extension rod that you can bring out really far.
For this shot, we follow the feet as we walk forward. While moving, we slowly raise the camera. We try to keep the road in the center of the frame. The person keeps walking forward, while the one filming slowly stops and holds the camera as high up as possible. For this shot, we start with the camera up in the trees. As the person walks past, we slowly move the camera downwards. Here we do a low to the ground push forward. We focus on the legs as they walk by, while moving the camera straight ahead. For this shot, we stand in one place. We move the camera upward with a small tilt down to keep the person in frame. For this one, we use higher ground. The person filming stands on a higher spot, and the person we are filming is lower down. We only move the camera a little, just to add some motion to the shot. For this final shot, we do another push forward. We follow the person with the camera and then gently move past them. This works really well as a final clip when you're shooting B-roll like this. Now we put all these shots together with some shorter B-roll clips and we end up with something like this.
Before filming, it really helps to stop for a moment and look around. Try to use your surroundings as much as possible. Look for trees, paths and hills. And even a small height difference can make a shot feel way more cinematic. This is a fun and creative way to get drone-style shots without actually using a drone. It's mostly about how you move the camera and how you think about height and motion. You don't need a big setup or expensive gear for this. Most of these shots are very simple, but when you put them together, they look way more advanced than they really are. The key thing is to move slowly and smoothly, and take your time and think about where the camera starts and where it ends. For this video we are using the DJI Action 4, but honestly the camera doesn't matter that much. Any action camera works, and you can even do this with your phone. The most important tool here is the extension rod. It lets you push the camera really far out and get it high up in the air. You can raise the camera, lower it, push it forward, or move it past the person, all in one smooth motion. Getting outside and experimenting is a big part of this, even though it would be nicer if it wasn't so cold. But winter locations can actually look really good. The empty spaces, soft light, and a calm feeling help these shots to feel way more cinematic. So don't overthink it. Go outside, try different angles, and test a few takes. And after a while you start to see what works and what doesn't. And that's basically how you can fake drone shots without a drone. That's it. Take care. Bye bye.